Assalamu alaikum aspirants. Today we will solve important Islamic studies MCQs, and these questions often appear in CSS, PMS, PPSC and other exams. So each question is designed to test your knowledge about Islamic history, companions and key events. If you prepare these properly, you will cover a major part of the exam syllabus. So stay focused, read carefully and try to recall the answers before I explain them. तो 20 MCQs हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस लेक्चर में। और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद पीस बी अपॉन हिम बिलोंग टू डैश फैमिली, हाशमी, कुरैशी, मक्की और मदनी। तो इसका सही जवाब है हाशमी। प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद पीस बी अपॉन हिम बिलोंग टू द बनु हाशिम क्लैन, a prominent and respected family within the larger Quraysh tribe in Makkah, and the Quraysh were the custodians of the Kaaba, and Banu Hashim held a high status among them. The next question देखते हैं। In the beginning, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, worked as a shepherd for dash Banu Saad, Banu Asad, Banu Umayya, Banu Mukhazam। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, Banu Saad। As a young child, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was sent to the desert to be nursed and raised by Halima Sadiya from Banu Saad tribe, and a common practice among Arabs at that time. The next question, what companion of Prophet peace be upon him was awarded with the title of the Sword of Allah? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी, हज़रत खालिद बिन वलीद रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु जो है उनको इस ये टाइटल दिया गया। Khalid bin Walid earned the title Sword of Allah from Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, due to his exceptional military prowess and victories in battle, and he was a skilled commander who played a key role in spreading Islam through his strategic leadership. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ इमाम बुखारी? तो इमाम बुखारी का जो है वो नाम क्या है? मोहम्मद बिन इस्माइल। ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए Imam Bukhari, full name is Muhammad bin Ismail al-Bukhari, and he is renowned for compiling Sahih al-Bukhari, one of the most authentic collections of hadith. The next question, Cave Hira is in the dash mountain. तो इसका सही जवाब है अन-नूर। ठीक है, ऑप्शन डी। Cave Hira, where Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him received his first revelation, is located in Jabal Nur, mountain of light near Makkah, and this cave holds immense significance as the site where the Quran was first revealed through angel Jibreel, and it is a place of pilgrimage from Muslims seeking to reflect on the Prophet's spiritual journey. Then next question देखते हैं, the first mosque or masjid on the surface of earth is? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन ए, मस्जिद हराम। मस्जिद हराम in Makkah, which houses the Kaaba, is considered the first mosque on earth, as it was built by Prophet Ibrahim and his son Ismail, and it is the holiest site in Islam and the direction of prayer Qibla for Muslims worldwide. Then next question है, what was the relation between Prophet Musa and the Prophet Harun? तो इसका सही जवाब है brothers। ठीक है, ऑप्शन सी, Prophet Musa and Prophet Harun al-Islam were brothers, with Harun being the elder sibling, and they were both sent as prophets to guide the children of Israel and confront Pharaoh. So their close relationship is highlighted in the Quran, where Harun supported Musa in his mission. The next question है कि बैतुल ममूर इज़ ऑन डैश हेवन, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड और फोर्थ। तो इसका सही जवाब है सेवंथ। बैतुल ममूर हाउस वर्शिप इन द हेवन इज लोकेटेड इन द सेवंथ हेवन एज मेंशन इन इस्लामिक ट्रेडिशन, and it is a celestial counterpart to the Kaaba, where angels perform worship. The Prophet, peace be upon him, witnessed it during the Isra and Miraj journey. The next question है, हज़रत डैश conquered the फतह of Homs? तो इसका सही जवाब है हज़रत अली रज़ी अल्लाह तआला अन्हु conquered the Jewish fort of Homs during the battle of Khaybar, and showcasing his bravery and strength. Next question है, a lady named dash tried to poison the holy prophet? तो इसका सही जवाब है ज़ैनब। A Jewish woman, Zainab, named Zainab, attempted to poison Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, by offering him poisoned meat after the battle of Khaybar. The next question, a second migration to Habsha took place in? तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, 615 AD. The second migrations to Habsha took place in 615 AD, when a group of Muslims sought refuge under the Christian king to escape persecution in Makkah. The next question, a friend of Khadija Razila Talano carried message of Nikah तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन सी, नफीसा। Nafisa was a friend of Hazrat Khadija who acted as an intermediary to convey the marriage proposal to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The next question, for dash years Halima took care of Prophet, peace be upon him, 6, 7, 8 or 9. तो इसका सही जवाब ऑप्शन ए है 6. Halima Sadia from the Banu Saad tribe took care of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, for 6 years during his early childhood. The next question है ओरिजिनल नेम ऑफ अबू जहल वाज डैश बिन हाशिम। तो इसका सही जवाब है आमिर। द ओरिजिनल नेम ऑफ अबू जहल, a staunch enemy of Islam, was Amir bin Ibn Hashim, and he was a leader of Quraysh who fiercely opposed the Prophet, peace be upon him, and persecuted early Muslims. So his title Abu Jahl, mean father of ignorance, was given due to his hostility toward Islam. The next question है King of Dash stored away the message of Prophet, इराक, इजिप्ट, सीरिया और ईरान। तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी, ईरान, पर्शिया। द किंग ऑफ पर्शिया Khusro Parvez tore up the letter sent by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, inviting him to Islam and showing his arrogance and rejection. Next question, Hazrat Dash proposed azan for the first time. So Hazrat Umar, इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन डी, हज़रत उमर रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु proposed the concept of azan, mean call to prayer, to announce the times of salah, and which was then approved by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And this suggestion came after a divine revelation confirmed the practice. The next question, at Masjid Dash first Muslim university was established. तो इसका सही जवाब है नबवी। मस्जिद नबवी in Medina was the first place where a structured Muslim university was established for teaching Islamic knowledge, and it served as a center for learning, worship, and community activities during the Prophet time. The mosque remains a significant educational and spiritual hub for Muslims. The next question, Hazrat Khadija died at dash years ago, 63, 64, 65 or 66. तो इसका सही जवाब है 65. हज़रत खदीजा रज़ी अल्लाह अन्हा, the first wife of the Prophet Muhammad, passed away at the age of 65 in Makkah, and her death occurred during a difficult period known as Year of Sorrow, alongside the death of Abu Talib, and she was a steadfast supporter of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and first to accept Islam. The next question, Qasim was born in dash years before prophethood, 10, 11, 12 or 13. तो इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी, 11. Qasim, the son of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born 11 years before the prophethood began at the age of 40. The next question, Hazrat Dash died first amongst the Sahaba. तो इसका सही जवाब है असद। Hazrat Asad ibn Zarara was the first companion to pass away among the Sahaba in Medina after Hijrah, and his death marked a significant moment for the early Muslim community in Medina, and he was a prominent Ansari companion who played a key role in supporting the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So you have now practiced a full set of Islamic studies MCQs. Revise them again to strengthen your memory, and share these questions with your friends so they can also benefit, and keep following this series for more solved MCQs from past papers. Stay connected and keep learning.